How to fix audio lag on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimal. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can actually fix the audio lag, or if you're facing lagging issues of your audio on the Netflix app or your Netflix account. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if you're likely having the audio lag issues, I would recommend to simply turn off your Bluetooth. If your Bluetooth is on and if you're connecting some other devices such as wireless AirPods, or you have some other Bluetooth devices which you're connecting to speakers or your headphones output, I would simply recommend you to unplug those, turn off Bluetooth, and then see if that fixes the issue. If not, then if you're also using any type of wired headphones, for example, I would also recommend you to simply turn that thing off. So simply unplug it, remove the wired headphones, and see if that fixes the issue. If not, then there could also be other reasons. Now, another thing is also your internet connection, because if your internet connection is slow, let's say the video has already loaded, it is not being able to load the audio, or the audio has already loaded but it's not being able to load the video due to improper internet connection. So simply make sure that your network connection is also configured properly. If not, then we're also going to run through some of the general fixes, such as let's check for updates on our Play Store. So go ahead and type in Netflix, and if there is an update button there, tap on it in order to update it to the latest version. You have to simply update the Netflix app to the latest version right over here. If not, I would also recommend you to simply long press on it, tap on the eye icon to go to the app information page, and then here you want to scroll down and select storage and clear cache, and then clear the data. Now keep in mind that this would basically delete all of the downloads and the login sessions, so you might need to re-log in back into your account again and then see most likely if that will fix the issue or not. Last but not the least, it will also mean that your device is outdated, so go to your settings and then go to software update. If there are any type of even a tiny bit of update available for your Android or your iOS device, I would always recommend you to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these would have definitely helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your issue, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching to the end, and see you soon in our next video.